Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can change your Riot account password. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply just dive into our video now. So to do so, what you will do is you will simply just go to your phone browser, simply search riot.com and then tap on this website over here, and this particular interface will open up. So tap on this three horizontal line, tap on the sign in option, tap on this Riot games option over here. Simply choose any of the games. Once this particular game interface open up, then what you will do is simply go to this three horizontal line, simply tap on the sign in option over here, and you will tap in your username. Then you will go to this option called can't sign in. Simply tap on it, simply cross this, then you will see this haven't played in a while, forgot username, forgot password. Simply tap on this forgot password option over there, and here you will add in your username. Tap on this arrow icon, and then you will get this username confirmation. Simply go back to your email address and check. As you can see here, I have got this verify your Riot account email. Simply go down, tap on this verify email. As you can see, the email verification complete. You will simply go back. Here you will simply add in your username. Okay, once again tap on this arrow icon. You will get this verification email. Simply check it. As you can see, I have received this password change request over here. Simply tap on this link over there. Here you will see this interface will pop up. Simply add in your new password over here. Once you're done with your password, you will simply again confirm your password over here. Once you confirm your password, simply tap on this arrow icon, and you can choose to save, so that you next time you don't have to again add in your password again. Tap on save. You can see success, your password has been changed. So yeah, this is how you can simply change your password. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.